There are so many opportunities around me. I keep running into money everywhere I go. People want to help me every step of the way. I am only surrounded by the best and most resourceful people in my life. I am always wanted and needed everywhere I go. My value is always expanding. I'm making the best investments every day. I am using my talents with the right people in the right way and at the right times. The economy is getting better and I am contributing to the growth of everyone around me. My credit score is going up. I can lend and borrow any amount that I want. My wallet is blessing a lot of people right now. My bank account keeps on growing. My investments are doing extremely well. I keep on exceeding everyone's expectations. People are expecting my help right now. I am successful in everything I do. My mindset is growing all the time. I am a multi-millionaire. I am extremely successful and good-looking. I am always attracting the best opportunities in my life. People always want to work with me, and they go out of their way to do so. I am increasing my funds, my credits, and my investments. I am always getting better clients, opportunities, and promotions. Wealth has always been attracted to me, and I am financially secured. I'm always at the right place with the right people and at the right times. Everything I touch turns to gold. I love my friends and family more and more every day. I only think in prosperous and abundant terms. Every day in every way I keep on getting better and better. I am healthy, wealthy, happy, and wise. I am honored and respected everywhere I go. I am a genius and I apply my wisdom all the time. People are always expecting me to succeed. I only set the highest standards in my life. I am using my talents every day in every way. There are many people who want to help me on my journey to success. My mindset is growing all the time. I am a multi-millionaire. I am extremely successful and good-looking. I am always attracting the best opportunities in my life.